Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I remove the hiss noise that I get from my recording with the Sony ZV-1 and the Rode Videomic NTG. The software that I use to remove the hiss noise is Audacity. You can download it for free and it's just a few steps and you get a cleaner audio. Let's see how I do it. This is how the Rode Videomic NTG sounds connected to the Sony ZV-1. And the mic is not very close to me, but this mic is good. This mic is going to pick up the good sound, and the gain in the camera is set at 1 just to activate the audio recording. And then the microphone gain is set at about 11. So I found 11 on the mic, the Videomic NTG, and 1 in the camera to be the best setting. It sounds good. Probably yes. However, there is a little bit of hiss noise, and the best way to understand the hiss noise is to record in a quiet room and just be quiet. So I'm gonna take this clip, I'm gonna put it into Audacity and try to remove this hiss noise, or at least lower it as much as possible. Let's see how I do it, and so you can do it too if you have this problem with this camera. Basically, I think this is a decent audio. However, the little hiss noise, I have to process it with software. There's nothing I can do. It's a different thing when you are outside. If you are outside, there is a natural hiss noise outside, which is different. But when you are inside and you're in a quiet place, the only thing that your audience can hear is your voice. And there is a little bit of hiss noise. It needs to be removed, or at least lowered a little bit. So let's see how I do it with Audacity. It's very simple. It's just 2 steps, few clicks. You should know it already. However, that's how I do it. The first step is to extract the audio track from the video. I use HitFilm Express to do so by exporting in MP4 the audio track. Then open the audio track with Audacity. Remember that to open MP4 files, you need a library. So install that if you need it. Inside Audacity, we select the part that only contains the hiss noise, is the part that we left quiet in the video. As you can hear, the hiss noise is pretty high in this one. You can't hear when I'm talking, but obviously it's there. Definitely needs to be removed. You want to go into the Effects tab and select Noise Removal. You click this button to elaborate the noise profile. Then you select the whole file, go to Effects again, Noise Reduction, and then click OK. Let's listen how it sounds. Now we're going to take this new file, replace it with the old one, and we have removed the hiss noise from our recording. If this video was helpful, let me know if you like it. Let me know if you were able to remove the hiss noise from your recording, or the way you do it. I'm very interested in knowing how you guys do it. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time. Please subs, like, tell your friends, come to Discord. I'll see you later, guys. Ciao.